Vector art conversion. We take care of your vector artwork pains. CreativeSkill aims to revolutionize the world of artwork by providing an exclusive conversion facility at affordable rates. We aim to give you designs that are ready to print with zero hassles. With quick turnaround time and a highly talented team, we focus on capturing the hearts of our customers with dedication and incomparable skills. Our online vector art conversion services are best suited for marketing, screen printing, promotional and wholesale requirements. We have a diverse team and numerous experts who can process your orders rapidly and in a stipulated timeline. We have expertise in Raster to vector conversion, vector tracing, background removing, drop shadow, color correction, image retouching, graphic mockup on the product. We have various available formats like DXF, WMF, AI, CDR, PDF, EPS, and so on for vector art conversion and designing services. CreativeSkill has the best vector art online services. Our specialization: minimum vector nodes, no overlapping or cut lines, affordable prices, quick turnaround, handle large volumes, internal quality check. Creative vector artwork services at your fingertips.